Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here, and welcome to this beautiful January 4th day. It's 65 degrees here in New Jersey, and well, I'm going to take this opportunity to shoot some outdoor archery here. It's perfect weather conditions to break out the shorts and shoot 70 meters outdoors. It's an opportunity that I probably won't have again until almost April. And with that kind of works our way into maybe the whole idea behind this video. And that idea is taking opportunities and identifying opportunities like when they come to you, especially in archery. Now, I'm going to base this on my experience, so it might differ based on the individual, but the whole purpose of this video is hopefully to give you an idea on keeping yourself in check. Oh, I should go out and practice today. Oh, today's a beautiful day out. You know what? 18's great, but I personally really enjoy outdoor 70 meters. So I should do outdoor 70 meters if the weather is permitting and I don't have a tournament like tomorrow at 18, because outdoor 70 meters, that's the part of archery that really speaks to me more so than indoors at 18 meters. But to each their own. But that's the point, is or at least the point that I'm trying to make is identifying these particular points in time where you have an opportunity to do something in archery that you really enjoy, a certain aspect of it that you enjoy more than other aspects, taking the opportunity and doing it. Now, these opportunities don't always just magically come up, kind of like today. We may pay dearly for this 65-degree day in January come, next week or a month from now. We could have 3 feet of snow. But that's a whole nother day to worry about, and that day has not come yet. We're focused on today and what I can do right now. So with that, I am enjoying this moment. I'm enjoying getting in extra outdoor training that I would not have had the opportunity to do. And the fact that I recognized this opportunity, said, hey, you know what? Let's switch the bow back over to the outdoor settings. Let's move the target back to outdoor 70 distance, and let's forget about 18 and shooting from inside the shack, because this is a rare opportunity. Now, these opportunities can present themselves in a whole variety of different ways. It's not just about a nice day, like I keep harping on. It's little things like you find you have yourself an extra half an hour worth of time. Well, instead of spending that time mindlessly scrolling through whatever app it is on your phone, you could easily just pull back your bow for 30 minutes. Actually, most people probably couldn't just keep pulling back their bow for 30 minutes. But things like that, get some reps in. You can do some like shot training or SPTs or like any of those things. You don't actually have to have an arrow in your bow in order to practice archery. But that's the point. It's about recognizing the time you have and utilizing it to the best of your ability. And I feel like a lot of people really drop the ball on doing that. And I'm not perfect myself, but I've recognized now over this length of time that I've been around that I can further improve my time optimization so that I can do more in the time, that little allotted amount of time that I have. You only get 24 hours in the day. You still got to sleep at least a few of those hours. So the rest you got to use to the best of your ability. And then when you do go practice, make sure that you're staying on task. There's a lot of times that I go to tournaments and stuff, and there'll be people talking, that I know they see each other basically every single day, because they live possibly in the same training center as each other. So either they never talk there, or they just like to talk all the time. Well, they spend more time talking than they do actually training. Now, sometimes I know people take it a little bit easy right before a tournament starts, but sometimes I see these things going on, 2 days before official practice. There's still time to practice here. You're supposed to be training to be elite archers. All I see is you training to be elite talkers. But again, that's just something I picked up observing other people. I myself, I'm not perfect. Sometimes I do waste some time here or there, or doing whatever. Sometimes it is the stupid little apps on your phone. But then it's a matter of going, wait a second, I've already spent 5 minutes here. I could have shot like 6 arrows, or I could have been working on a new string. All these things. So again, the whole purpose of this video was, look at the time you have, look to see where you're not optimizing it, look to see where you're just wasting time on pretty much useless garbage that's really not adding any kind of value to your life. Then take that and then redistribute it to things that do add value to your life, like shooting archery. Other than that, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's not like I script these things, but I took this opportunity today to go and shoot outside, so then I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully that helps. Maybe I'll make a few more of these in the future as things like this come up. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, happy shooting.